Punta po tayo dito sa may SQL. Sinabi ko lang po yung code. Yun lang po. Kanina yung tatla.
Yung number 2, obtain product to set expire in August product table. So, ito po yung code. Select from product month, then yung 8 po is August. So, andito po lahat yung nakalagay ng product na may expire ng August. Retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. So, ito po yung select from sales order by date uploaded ascending. So, go natin. Dito po nakalagay yung mga na-retrieve, then yung date, then nakaayos na rin po. Ilan po, salamat. Video. Ito po yung number 5 ko po. Determine the number of entries in the product cart table. So, ito po yung code ko. Select some product quantities, PS product quantities from product cart. So, go ko po. So, ito po yung product quantities niya is 40 po. Yun lang po lahat.